In this video, I'll show you how to find your credit card account number. It's one of those things you don't need often, but when you do, it helps to know exactly where to look. Let's jump right in. First, grab your credit card. Your account number is printed on the front. It's the long number running across the middle, usually 16 digits. It's different from the card number that starts with a 4, 5, or 6. That's just part of your full account number. This number is what identifies your specific credit card account with the issuer, like Chase, Citi, or Capital One. If you don't have your card handy, you can also find your account number on your monthly credit card statement, either online or in the mail. Just log into your account and check under Account Summary or a similar section. You might also see it if you've set up automatic payments or linked your card to services like Apple Pay or PayPal. Just be sure you're looking at a secure page. Quick tip: never share your full credit card details unless you're certain about who you're sharing them with. Always stay safe online. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick money tips. See you next time.